seeking advice. The young man said, "Wise old man, I have so many problems in my life. I don't know what to do." The wise old man listened patiently and then handed him a handful of stones. He said, "Take these stones and put them in your pocket. For each problem you encounter, take out a stone and throw it away. When all the stones are gone, your problems will be too." The young man did as the wise old man wished. As he threw away each stone, he felt a sense of relief. When he threw away the last stone, he realized that his problems didn't seem as overwhelming as before. The wise old man taught him that sometimes we need to let go of our problems one by one instead of carrying them all at once. It's a reminder that even the biggest problems can be solved if we approach them one step at a time.